Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Today I want to try these gel pens out. I can't remember all the colors that I ordered. I have tried one of these on my toes. They are supposed to be one-step gels. They did have a tacky layer after I cured them, but it only claims to last 1 week, and it lasts on my toes at least a week. I'm not really sure. I'll try it out for you again, let you know. I'm gonna do some decorations, but I haven't applied it to my fingernails before and I'm really curious. This is the color I applied to my toes. I've already crinked it up. As you can see, I've stored it like this. I've stored it like this. I've stored it like this. It doesn't leak. I can't remember which colors are which. Okay, this is a gold. I haven't even used it. I just cranked it up. This one I'm dying to use, so definitely using that one. And let's see how these go. I've seen some others use them, and what it is they're very loose at the beginning. Hear those clicks? Just go until you feel any resistance. You'll start getting slower. That's when it's starting to touch the product, I guess. And there's like a little hole in the center of the... You start feeling some resistance, slow down. Give it a minute just in case it's coming out. It's really, you'll feel a lot of resistance. Okay, there's where I'm feeling some more resistance. You feel a little resistance. That's when you want to be a little careful. Okay, now it's coming out, and this appears to be a silver, but we will see. My first time using this color, first time ever using it on my nails, so let's just see how it goes. I cranked it up a little bit too much. Ooh, I'm loving that color. I really couldn't remember what I ordered. I'll try to pop it up on the screen, what it looks like in their advertisement. My toes, it was so fantastic. This is like, what am I playing around with? This is painted on. This is like, I don't know how to describe it. It's like flakies. Look at that, flaky silver. I mean, I cannot get it on there too thick unless I just crank it on out. That's cool. I think I'll do gold and pink together. Now, if you want to, you can put a little bit of the color on one of these and put some nail glue or cure it, put some nail glue, stick it on the end so you can have easy access to what your color is. I'm all out of nail glue, so I'll have to do that later. This is the blue that I was dying to try. Like I said, it doesn't leak out. I'm assuming if you crank it like crazy. Look at this. You can make it like an abstract looking. I really want to get to the color. There we go. Whoa, I got too much color. On my toes, I noticed you can get right into the cuticle line, especially since my toes happen to be square cuticles. It takes some getting used to. Oh, wow. Try to get right into that cuticle. And you can make it where there's nothing hardly on the brush, I would assume, and get like a scattered effect. Or crank a little bit more out. It's going to take some getting used to. A new way to apply polishes. I like the scattered effect, but I'm going to go for the blind you in the face. Whoop, a little too much. Blind you in the face. Kind of effect. I'm just taking what's extra on my brush for the last crank, putting it on, seeing if I like it, and then putting a little bit more on. You'll see without the glitters, and I'll tell you if they're smooth or not after I get done. I'm going for more of that bam in your face kind of look because I just love this color. Oh ho ho, that's so pretty. Okay. And I could do something like this. This is a whole new thing to get used to. I mean, it really is quick. I might just keep this one like this. I could fade it out. It's so cool. This is so fun to play with. Some bam in your face kind of glitters. Wow, look at that. If you accidentally pulled out too much than you want to use, just give it a little wipe. It doesn't take much. Nothing else will come out as long as you haven't cranked it. So that was color number 35. And these are just loose glitters that are flaked on my skin. I'll just give myself a good hand wash and they'll be gone. Like I said, I did notice there is... Wait a minute, this one doesn't have a tacky layer. Oh wow, I swear the pink one had a tacky... Now I've got to try the pink one out. Takes a little getting used to, but I think I'm gonna love them. Just like with any bottle, you have a new lid to hang on to, whatever, you've got to have a learning curve. Let me give this a 30-second cure. And there's no tacky layer. I don't believe. I thought there was the first time I used it. I swear I thought there was. I don't feel one. But being this is my right hand, I am still going to use it. Trying out the gold. 'Cause why not? If I'm not here to experiment for you, who else is, right? There it comes. Ooh. Maybe I'll do one accent with this. I'm flipping my brush over. You know what? I forgot to cure these. Any excess I'm gonna wipe off. Just because I don't want to lose that goodness in my brush. I give these a 30-second cure. I could have sworn I had felt a tacky layer. Maybe it's just a slight tacky to it. But I think you just wash your hands off in the sink and they'll be fine. But what I had to do is now throwing me off because it's not quite what I expected. Okay, I had to rethink what I was going to do. I still don't feel any tacky layer. Maybe I've had some that came through like later on, but if you wash your hands after, it shouldn't be a problem. I'm going to play with some of these. So another first for me today. And since these are rather big, I mean, like this, I'm going to use hard gel to adhere them. And I just prefer, you can put gel over top and then gel polish over top, but I actually have a product called Accents Trinity Gel. It has top coat in it. Now you will have to wipe it off with alcohol afterwards, but I find that just washing your hands in the sink can do the trick too. So I'm just gonna play with that. And I have my Beauty Big Bang dotting and brush tool. I love it. I'm just gonna do one here with you. And I'm gonna show you how I put the caviar beads on last time, because that was glorious using this product. And then I'll show you some pictures at the end. Just putting a little bit of, this is hard gel, this is not soak off, but since I am using a peel off base coat underneath, Peelies is my current favorite. I've been using it for at least a year now. I plop the little baby on here. I'm only going to use the hard gel on this. Just line it up how you want it to look. If you need to, hold it down and put it in your lamp. Let me give this a flash cure. I decided to go ahead and put my other one on. I'm the weirdo. I don't like to accent my crooked finger. That's just me. But I can pick up caviar beads with this, and I do like that. I'm putting a little extra. I didn't quite know where I was going to go with this, so I'm putting a little extra around. And you need to flash cure it once it's where you want it at. Like I said, that one has a little tacky layer. I can't even feel it because it's underneath everything. I still need to cure this fully. But I wanted to play with something else, and I'm not sure. Caviar beads? Yes, caviar beads for today. I've got their top coat. I like to use the back of the triangle. It's just easier to wash off afterwards. If I have form paper, I'll use form paper, whatever you have. Don't have to be picky about it. Just dab a little bit in, pick up my beads with, I had totally forgot this is how I used to pick up my caviar beads, till Sandra Main, one of my viewers, reminded me. I'd like to thank her for reminding me that I used to do this. She doesn't have a YouTube channel per se. Though technically anyone who comments has a YouTube channel. They just may not upload to it. So she doesn't upload. I just want to thank her for reminding me that's how I used to pick up my caviar beads. I didn't have enough top coat down here. And you do really want to get either your hard gel or your top coat around, so that your hairs don't get stuck in there. A little bead escaped me. And the little beads, they kind of act like an extra layer of protection too. Like a little extra buffer to protect any loose. And you want to flash cure this as you go. I got a whole bunch. If it's flooding your cuticles, go ahead and flash cure that. 3 to 5 seconds will do it. I just kind of wave my hand in the lamp, and it's usually flash cleared enough that it won't move. Getting a little blinded by all the glitter I already had down here. Someone wanted to know how I put those beads on last time. And I didn't do it in the video, so here I am doing it in the video. Just make sure you have enough down on your nail of the top coat. And it's really hard to see. It's hard for me to see. And you can go around it with the top coat as well. Don't cure your brush. Let me repeat this, and then I'm gonna try something new that I got in. Put the gel around it first, lady. High profile stuff, you want to secure it. If you're going to wear it more than a day or two, you want to secure it. The hard gel is going to hold it there, but you don't want your hairs getting in there. Okay, I guess I'm done playing around for today. Like my little crazy little nails took me in a whole different direction than I was planning on going in. Well, thank you everyone for watching. Have a great day, everyone. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.